Hi everyone! Welcome back to my vlog! So, nandito si Amiga. Ngayon, ipaprank ko siya. Nagpunta siya ng banyo. So, ngayon, samahan ninyo ako papunta ng pantry. Maghahanap tayo ng gagamitin ko dito sa vlog na ito. Let's go guys! Habang nasa banyo siya. Ngayon, meron tayong plano. Kasi, si Amiga, dumaan na naman. Ngayon, nandito ako sa pantry. Ayan, nasa pantry ako. Ngayon, meron tayong gagawin. Dahil wala akong pasta. Ang meron lang ako dito sa pantry ko ay ito. Wala akong so gagawin na. Galing kasi ako sa chiropractor ko. So ngayon, masakit yung neck ko kunwari. Pero hindi naman masakit yung neck ko. Diyos ko, sana wag naman na ipaprank ko lang siya. Siguro naman pwede to, no? Wala, ito lang yung gagamitin natin. Kunwari, paki-massage yung dito ko. Pero ang gagawin ko, subukan muna natin testing. Ah! Ito, mag-work. Okay, tapos kuha tayong oil. So, ngayon, kukuha tayo ng oil para kunwari, ganon-ganon niya. Hindi niya alam, ito, ire-ready ko to sa kamay ko. Tapos kunwari, ganon na. Kaya mga bata, huwag ninyong gagayahin itong gagawin ko. Kasi matanda na kami, alam namin ginagawa namin. So, prank lang ito, okay? So, huwag niyong gagayahin. Guys, tara, let's go. Ngayon, kuha tayo ng oil. Amiga! Dali lang guys, kuha tayo ng oil. Itong kamiga kong to. Alam mo naman, itong gagamitin nating oil. Yan, kunwari. Para kunwari, meron pa tayong choices. Meron pa tayong choices dito, kunwari. So, dalawa ngayon. Yan. Amiga! Ay, nasa banyo pa rin siya. Amiga, because I need your hands. That's why, did you wash? Ay, sorry. Ah?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Amiga, how are you?
I'm doing good.
Okay, yeah, today not so good because actually I went to my chiropractor. Here's my new exercise. Remember, I have neck problem. Is it okay fix it a little bit? Like at least the circulation on my neck. It hurts. I cannot see. I cannot even look at you.
Oh,
Yeah.
Let me get down.
Get right here.
Sanitizer.
No.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much for coming because it hurts. Yeah. So then,
Can you help me?
see, it hurts. When I wake up this morning, it hurts right here. See? Yeah. Can you just fix it? Yeah, please.
Okay.
See, I cannot move.
Oh my God. Are you okay, friend? Let me just sanitize my hand before I touch your neck. Then this one. Okay. Oh, he's gonna be okay. Don't worry. Okay, are you ready? So I feel like you're very tense. Are you in stress? You in stress or something, friend? What's going on? You don't tell me about this one. You always tell me. Up like this. Up like this. Oh my God! Leave. Ami, Rose, you alright? Are you alright? I hear like crack it like.
One more, please.
Oh my God, Lee. What are you doing, brother? Did you hear it?
Sabi nga totoo. Are you okay?
You're gonna make me cry too.
You really? Marie?
Look, my eyes, you don't get tears.
Guys, sorry.
I don't know how I'm gonna cry. I don't know how to even see it.
I'm so sorry.
Wait.
What happened? Did you hear something?
Yes, like something like.
Guys, nakuha ko ba siya? Totoo. Are you serious?
Yes, you got me. Look
Yeah,
at my eyes crying.
actually, the video is on. Marie, did you believe about this?
Yes.
This one is for my knees, not for my neck. Actually, yeah, I came visit my doctor for my neck, for my adjustment, my spinal. So, but just pretending that it hurts. You didn't even start yet, right? Guys, nakuha ko na naman si amiga ko. Actually, sa linggo na siya, hindi ko siya nakikita. So, nag-stop by lang dahil meron akong ibibigay sa kanya. Actually, I have something for you. Okay, wait for me, okay? Wait.
He's scared. I got.
Amiga, please forgive me. This is for you.
No,
Yeah, it's not a joke.
not a joke.
Ayaw na niya maniwala sa akin. Ayaw na niya maniwala.
I do see. I'm scared of her now. Like, no. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Jose, must
Now you forgive me, girl. You forgive me.
Yes, crying. No.
Okay, open it. Ganito siya. I want you to read it first.
Okay.
Louder.
This-
Welcome closer.
a gift for you. It's Amiga Marisela. Enjoy your gift, good luck, and your good bless you. Full support and love from Roste. Oh, thank you, friend.
You're welcome.
Next time, don't do that again.
Okay, no, you forgive me, right?
Oh, of course I forgive you.
Because?
Because you're my best friend.
Okay. And?
For 18 years. You believe that?
Guys,
18
nakaawa
years,
pa rin.
we're friends. We ups and downs, but we're friends.
Sa kanya lang yung ups and downs. For me, always up.
Ups and downs. No, they mean like agree, disagree, agree, or
Ito yung binigay ko sa
that's
kanya, guys. Kasi meron siyang parang mga pie na homemade na ginagawa. So, binilihan ko siya ng yung mga thank you card. Ayan. Do you like it, Mama?
Of course I like it.
Okay. Say hello to our viewers. And
Hello, everyone. Please. She got me. For real, this is real. No, she got me. And I just want to say to you all, don't forget, subscribe, like, and share. Come on, people. Let's go.
I got her. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Are you crying?
Yes, I do. It was real, but I don't know how to react.
Oh.
You know what I mean? Like, did I break something? Did I break his teeth? I don't know.
For real? What did you think about? What
I
happened?
thought that I hurt you. Look, I'm crying.
Oh my God. It's a prank.
I know it's a prank.
But you didn't even touch it yet.
I don't know if it was the neck, the teeth.
It's for my knee.
Really, you don't show me the pictures.
Uh-huh.
I thought it had something privacy from you, because I remember you had a problem with your neck.
Uh-huh.
And that's what I was saying, okay. But when you put the papers on the bed, and then when you show me, I'm like, frog, or I don't know how you say it. But I thought you was doing your neck. And it's
Oh.
for your knee and your back.
Both of them, they're for knees.
Yes.
For my knee.
I mean, yeah, see?
Yeah, it's just a prank, girl.
You got me.